And welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new video. And today's video I have an amazing product from Flair. Flair is a popular Indian company who is into pens, pencils and mechanical pencils and other stationery. So today we are going to review the Flair mechanical pencil kit. So I was a big fan of mechanical pencils back in the time when I was in school. Like, I really wanted to have mechanical pencils, and it was one of the novelties during our school times. So today while shopping, I found Flair mechanical pencil kit, and I thought I should take one because this is some novelty that I was looking out for during my school days. So here it is, guys, the Flair mechanical pencil, and this is a set of 3 pencils of various thickness of the points. It's like a 0.5 mm thickness, 0.7 mm and 0.9 mm thickness, and along with that you also get 3 different lead tubes that has extra leads in it kept of different thicknesses as well. And along with it you also get an eraser which is free. So here is a Flair cube dust free eraser that you get with it as well in this kit. Now moving on to the packaging, guys. When I talk about the packaging, it comes in this simple packaging with the Flair branding right here on top. You can see the Flair branding right here. The name of the product is mechanical pencil. The pencils can be right here, we can see them right out here, and here are the lead tubes which are there, and here is a cube eraser which is available, which you get free with this. Moving on to the back of the pack, again we have the Flair branding right here, mechanical pencil written here. Instructions to use: press down the top button a few times to get the desired length of lead. To withdraw the leads after use, push down the lead back with the tip of your finger as you press down the button on top. To refill leads, remove the top button plus eraser and insert the lead one at a time, maximum 2 leads into the empty reservoir, and replace the eraser on top plus the button. Now what you get in this pack is 3 number of Flair mechanical pencils of different width, which is 0.5 mm, 0.7 mm, 0.9 mm, 3 lead tubes of different sizes again, and 1 non-dust eraser. And the MRP of this product, guys, is just rupees 59. The month of manufacture is June 2025, and yeah, that's all the details here. There's customer care number given below as well. So guys, let's go ahead and open this pack and check out the mechanical pencil. I'm just going to quickly tear it open, and we are going to see the mechanical pencil right here. So I'm just going to quickly tear it so that we can see the pencils. So yeah, so the first one that I have here from Flair is a 0.5 mm thickness mechanical pencil, which is here, this one. So guys, you can see this is how it is. The build quality is good. It's made out of plastic. It has a grip as well here, not a rubber grip, but a plastic itself has been like roughened up, so you can hold it nicely. It has a triangular shape as well. It gives you more comfort while holding it. And this is 0.5 mm Flair Tuff branding is there on this mechanical pencil. It says Flair Tuff 0.5 mm, so it's mentioned here as well. On top of the mechanical pencil, they also have given you a small eraser right here. Now to get the lead out, you just need to press it once, twice, thrice, and this is the, you can see the lead coming out. Now I can use this length. This is the length I desire to use, so I can use this. If I want it to be smaller, I can press it and keep, and then press the lead back in, and it goes in. That's how easy it is to use. So yeah, now let's see how does it write. We are going to check it out, how does it write. So I'm going to quickly just grab a piece of paper right here with me. I'm going to write on it. Very smooth to write with, and this is how it comes. I've written my name, and this is how it comes. Well, there's not very dark, but decent darkness is there. in the 0.5 mm. So you can see a very fine tip. It is very fine tip of lead. You can see, but though it's so fine, it doesn't break. It depends on how much you remove the tip out. If you are going to use it like this, then definitely while writing the tip will break. So this is the ideal, like basically it goes in, you do it 3 times and it gives you the perfect lid. So guys, this is, and now coming to talk about the how do we refill it. You just need to remove this first, the cap, then the eraser comes off, then you can just pull out the top cover as well, and then you can refill inside it. So very easy to refill as well, the Flair Tuff eraser pencil. Now moving on to the next one, which is a 0.7 mm. 0.7 mm similar to the 0.5 mm one. This is the Flair Tuff 0.7 mm. The design is same. You all can see this. There's a color difference right here. The design is the same. The color difference, only there's a color difference in the two pencils. You all can see this. This is 0.5 mm. This is 0.7 mm. Now what we can see here is the thickness of the lead is a bit more because it's 0.7 mm, and you all can clearly compare the size of the leads. Right, the one on the right is 0.7 mm and this is 0.5 mm. You can see the green one is 0.7 mm, which is a bit more thicker than 0.5 mm. The overall build quality remains the same, it's just that thickness is greater for the lead. You can see. Now I'll just try writing with it and see how good it comes. I'm going to fold my paper. So guys, here it is. The above one is 0.5 mm, the below one is 0.7 mm. 0.7 mm, the writing is a bit thicker and a bit more darker than the 0.5 mm lead. Comfort level remains the same. There's no change in that. Now coming to the third one, which is a Flair Clicks. And this is a different model which we get here. And this is a 0.9 mm mechanical pencil. It is different from the other ones. And in terms of design, what extra thing that you get in this is there's a rubber grip that comes as well in this. So you have a rubber grip that comes here. But the difference is these were triangular in shape. This is cylindrical in shape. So there's a difference in that. Plus the lead size is 0.9 mm in this. So you all can see this comes out like a nib of a pen. On your first click, it comes out like a nib of a pen, and then on the second one, it comes out as a lead comes through. So you can do that as well. So like this. So I think in like 2 clicks is enough for the writing in with this 0.9 mm tip. So I'm going to write right now with this. So guys, this is a 0.9 mm, which is much more darker than 0.5 and 0.7 mm. You can see that. And the thickness wise, I feel thickness is similar to the 0.7 mm. Not much difference in the thickness of the writing, but the darkness is much better here. So yeah, like overall you get like 3 different size lead, 3 different mechanical pencils with 3 different sizes of lead in it, and that's amazing. So you can use it like you please, like if you want to like fine drawings, if you want to make fine lines, and use the 0.5, medium lines in 0.7, and like thicker drawing shading you can use a 0.9 mm. Now moving on to what else we have in this box. Like I said, we also got lead tubes with extra lead pieces in it, which can be used. and they are all color coordinated right here. So this is 0.5 mm one from Flair, and if I tell you how many pieces of lead, extra lead you get in this, very fine it is. I think that 10 pieces of lead. You get 10 pieces of lead in this, each of these boxes of different sizes. 0.7 mm lead, again 10 pieces, and this is a 0.9 mm lead, again 10 pieces of lead you get in this. And then the last thing that comes in this is this cube eraser. I'll just tear that also open for y'all so that you all can see it. So this is a cube eraser that comes in it. So wonderful looking eraser. Right here we have a fluorescent color eraser we get with this. I'm just going to tear it open. It comes packed in a plastic right here. Very nicely sealed. So right here is the eraser, you can see. Fit into this box cover. So this is the eraser right here I have. Fluorescent color, rectangular shape, cuboid right here. So it's called the Flair Cube Dust Free Eraser, and the MRP is the same is ₹5 if you go to buy it separately. But you get it free with this pack of mechanical pencils. So that's an amazing thing. So yeah guys, overall I like the build quality of these pens and these mechanical pencils, and it's really good. I feel it's worth buying for a cost of ₹59. It's a good deal. So guys, if you are looking to buy the Flair mechanical pencil, check out the link in the description below. I'll left a link in the description. You can purchase it on Amazon. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.